Hey there, fellow homeowners and eco-enthusiasts. Welcome to the Fab Living Realty channel. In today's video, we're going to explore 7 energy-efficient upgrades that can help you save money on your utility bills, reduce your environmental impact, and enhance your home's overall performance. So, if you're ready to lower your energy costs and contribute to a greener future with the Fab Living Realty team, stick around, and let's dive in. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's get started. Whether you're a new homeowner or have lived in your home for years, these improvements can help reduce your energy consumption and lower your monthly expenses. First, let's talk about insulation. A well-insulated home retains heat during the winter and keeps cool air in during the summer. Check your attic, walls, and crawl spaces to make sure they're properly insulated. If needed, consider upgrading to higher R-value insulation or using spray foam insulation for better energy efficiency. Next, let's address air leaks. Gaps around windows, doors, and outlets can let in drafts, causing your HVAC system to work harder. Use weather stripping, caulk, or expanding foam to seal these leaks and improve your home's energy efficiency. Another upgrade to consider is energy-efficient windows. Double or triple pane windows with low E glass can significantly reduce heat transfer and help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Additionally, window treatments like blinds or shades can also help regulate the amount of sunlight entering your home. When it's time to replace your appliances, opt for energy-efficient models. Look for the Energy Star label, which indicates that the appliance meets strict energy efficiency guidelines. Energy-efficient appliances not only save you money on your utility bills but also have a smaller environmental footprint. Switching to LED lighting is another simple way to save energy. LED bulbs consume far less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs and last much longer. Plus, they're available in various styles and color temperatures to suit your preferences. Installing a programmable or smart thermostat can help you manage your home's temperature more efficiently. These devices allow you to set schedules for heating and cooling, reducing energy waste when you're not at home or when you're asleep. Finally, consider investing in solar panels. While the upfront cost can be significant, solar panels can generate clean, renewable energy for your home, reducing or even eliminating your dependence on the grid. Over time, this can lead to substantial savings on your energy bills. By making these energy-efficient upgrades, you'll not only save money on your utility bills but also contribute to a more sustainable environment. Start with small changes, and gradually work your way up to larger improvements. Every little bit helps. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on homeownership and home improvements. Until next time. Thanks for watching.